All right, good morning again. Yep, still Thursday, 11th, I believe. Walking down the hill here, Mexican Overdrive, freewheeling. I got the call, the car's ready for pickup. I'm not impressed. It's basically 10:30. They've had the car over 12 hours working on it. They've had a sleepover. That's 12 hours of about 3 technicians, 2.5 I'll say, consistently working on it, trying to fix the passenger side front window from going up and down. And my Boontag, you guys.
Good morning.
Nice day, nice day. Keep up the good work, thank you. Yeah, those guys are good. I got to bring them a chicken one day or some lunch. But as I was saying, yeah, they took a switch off the back door and they stuck it on the switch in the front door. Ta-da, voila, fucking window's fixed. They tell me they can't find a switch on Bohol. They got to order one online. They're 100 pesos online for a new switch. Less than $2.50 Canadian. But there's a shop in Island City Mall. They cut keys. They're right at the end of the mall there before you go into, I think it's Fix Right hardware store. And they stock those switches. They're all very common. And I was gonna go there with my switches because I had them, they were unplugged, hanging out at the doors. And man, am I ever sorry I fucking didn't. Because I should have just rolled the dice. And I don't know how much they're worth in the mall, but Lazada, they're 100 pesos. And I didn't want to take another door panel off to rob from Peter to pay Paul, you know what I'm saying? But this fucking lesson's gonna cost me. They got a 3.7 review on Google. I'm gonna give them their worst score they'll ever fucking get. Because I'm sure it's gonna be 4,000 or 5,000 pesos. And I still got one inoperable window. Except now it's the rear one. And I'm pissed off. Now my dashboard's being ripped apart, put back together, probably not properly. And my rad support and all that other shit's been ripped apart unnecessarily. And probably not put back together properly. I seriously fear future problems from letting these guys touch it. And part of me thinks it's because I'm a foreigner. And they assume I'm rich. Because racism is a reality here. Like it or not. So I don't know if I'll film this or not, but JAM's the place not to go. Car aircon repair specialists, I think not. Also repair car power windows, door latch, windshield wiper, radiator fans. And I'm calling bullshit on this. Car's covered in dust. That's the shit you're breathing if you live here. Doors left open. Hey, what do you got there, man?
It's O-ring, the compressor.
O-ring out of the compressor?
And other fittings.
You just gonna let them sit there? Or take them off? Yeah, it's running right now. Why do they leave it running with the door open? Is it cold air? Is the air conditioner? It's working? So the air conditioner's working. It's got a mind of its own now. I got to reset that. Up and down the. What's it doing? Got to reset it. Wow. Right on. Pay the bill. You know how much your bill is? Talk to the man inside. Thank you. I can't leave those O-rings out there. All right. Did you guys try Island City Mall?
Oh yes sir, we have tried, but they only sell the universal switch.
Yeah.
That switch is not fit for the Toyota Vios model.
Oh. Okay, I was pretty sure they, in the little where they cut the keys, that's where you went? Yeah, yeah. All right. So how much do I owe you?
Yes, sir.
And is the air condition fixed?
Yes, sir. It's fixed. With your code.
You repair the compressor?
No, sir. Not the compressor. Since the compressor has no leak, sir.
So yesterday you told me the window was fixed. Yesterday you told me not you, your partner told me the compressor was broken. Wow, just let me know how much I owe you so I can get out of here. I don't know what to tell you guys. Yeah. Anyways, let's see how much it's going to be. Told me, tell me that it was done yesterday, then I come here today, it's not done. It's real. Real, real, real. They're parked in the suicide position to get out of here. So, I gotta get a new switch. 100 pesos. Fix it myself. That's, if you want something done, you know, I've learned time and time again, do it your fucking self and you can only blame you. But you try to give these guys the benefit of the doubt. And I never seen so many guys work on a project and the lies. That's another thing. I hate fucking liars. Sir, compressor's broken. Buy a new one. What's that other thing? I forget what they call it. Like I said, I'm not an air conditioning mechanic. But it's cold now. The window works. Poor little Kate. She'll be a little claustrophobic in the back there. And it's the lion too, you know. I just gotta know, lion, they're like lawyers. I really don't have a fucking use for them. Don't want to use for them. And I've lied a few times. But I find it's better if you can just go through life without lying. Then you don't gotta make up another lie to cover your lie. And you don't get caught in a lie. And you don't get a fucking reputation as a liar. If you know what I'm saying. So, I got no use for liars. That includes liars that get lucky and fix things. So, apparently, yeah, it's blowing cold air. I wonder if all the positions in the switches work, you know, defrost and vent and high, low, medium. I don't know, it's the Philippines. You got to bring patience. They phone you, tell you it's ready. Well, it's sitting there running, idling. All but one window works. I don't like leaving shit running on an angle like that. I'm going to shut it off. All the oil goes up forward. The back journal's on the crank. Well, this thing's it's front wheel drive. The motor's in there sideways, so probably don't matter too much, but I'll shut her down. Okay. Yeah. It's definitely cold. Turn it off. Gotta remove all those O-rings off the window. Alright.
This is the summary.
Summary? How much are we looking at? Is that how much I owe you? I can't see without my glasses.
3,450, sir.
3,450. Well, that's not bad considering the air conditioning works.
Yes.
Because I was really mad and upset. Alright, so I'm not as pissed as I thought I was, but they did lie about a lot of things. So I got some spare parts, some O-rings they replaced, and they charged me 3,450 pesos, which is about 80 bucks, I guess, Canadian. 4,000 pesos would be 100 bucks Canadian. And one of the back windows is inoperable. But the miscommunication, the lying, I don't know if they purposely lied or miscommunicated. I thought I was going to be paying like 5,000 pesos plus for fuck all. But I got cold air, and I'm a little happier than I thought. So one of my old nicknames was Stress. I used to stress about everything. It's probably why I got one of those Oh, things in my main aorta and my heart forming. That stress. But maybe check him out. Maybe give him a chance. Maybe I'll take back. Maybe I'll give him a half decent remark. I'm glad the air's working. I'm glad the window's working. True story. Lucky less, right? Thanks, like, subscribe. Peace out. Cheers.